Hello students, how are you all? I welcome all of you in our today's EVS class, okay? And what is date today? Today is 2nd of June, okay? So this is beginning of the chapter. So what you have to do? You have to, like daily, you have to write down today's date, then chapter number. Beginning of the chapter, you have to write chapter number at the top, okay? Then you have to write down name of the chapter, that is my body. Okay, today we are going to start our new chapter, my body. And what are the things we are going to learn in this chapter, student? See here, what are the objectives of this chapter? Objective means what are the things we are going to learn in this chapter. So first objective is we are going to learn about my body parts. Okay, what are the different parts of our body? We are going to learn about that. Then we are going to learn about the function of our body parts. Okay, about taking care of our body part. Okay, how can we take care of our body part? Then we are going to learn about a very interesting topic, that is helping people who do not have some body parts. Okay, so all these points we are going to cover in this chapter. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so that was about the whole chapter, what are things we are learning. And in today's class, what are the things we are going to cover? We are going to learn about different body parts. Okay, see here, body parts. Today's class we are going to learn about body parts. Then we will learn about the function of different body parts. Okay student, now see this one. You know, first animal, cat, bat and a human child. Yes, so are they all same? If you look nicely, you will see no, they are not at all same. Cat is having tail, bat is having wings. You can see wings here, and we are not having tail and neither we are having wings for flying. Do we have wings to fly? No, we do not. So we can say that all animals are different from one another. Yes, and their body parts are also different, but sometimes some of the body parts, they may be looking little bit different, but their function is same. Like cat leg, see, leg of cat, she is walking with 4 legs. Yes, we are also having legs, but we are walking with 2 legs, isn't it? So, and see student, name of body parts may be same sometime. Like cat walk with its leg. Yes, we are also walking with our legs only. Yes, they look different. They are looking different. It is walking with 4 legs and we are walking with 2. And see, cat also here with ear and we also here with our ears only. Yes, but are our ears same to cat's ear? No, na. They are totally different. They do not look similar to our ear. Are they similar? No, they are not similar. But their function is same. They working same. Cat also uses her ear to hear and we also use our ear to hear. Okay, like teeth also. We are also having teeth and we use that teeth for biting and chewing. Same is case for cat also. Yes, okay, but their teeth are different and our teeth are little bit different. Yes, so let's get started for the chapter. And in this chapter student, we are mainly going to talk about our body, human body. Okay, not of animal. Okay, we are going to talk about body parts of human being. We all are human being. We are going to talk about human body. See here in this picture student, this one, what is this? This is he is a boy. And what about this? She is a girl. Okay, boy and this is girl. Okay, they are, one is boy, another one is girl. You can identify boy and girl now. Okay, now see, in our human body we are having 3 main parts. Okay, 3 main parts. Even though that part are divided into so many parts, but basically 3 main parts we are having. This one called our head. See here, head. This portion is head, H-E-A-D, head. Yes, from here to here, that part is called, from here, from to that portion from where our legs start. Okay, that portion is called our trunk. What is it called? Trunk. Okay, and another name for trunk is torso. Okay, now see, these are limbs. What are limbs? Our arm and legs. They are called our limbs. What is the spelling of limbs? Limbs, limbs. Okay. Yes. See here, all of you please say along with me. Head, trunk and limbs are the three main parts of our body. Got it? Okay. Now let's move ahead. Parts of head. So first part was our head. Okay. So head is present on top of our body. So see here. Read along with me. Head is uppermost part of our body. And what are the things head is having? Our face. So head has face. This one is our face. And what are things are in our face? Let me move closer. My eyes. Yes. Nose. Mouth. Ear. Okay. These are main parts of our face. Then we have our neck here. Yes. This is my neck. Okay. Head. Then head is connected to my torso or my trunk through neck. And what are things we are also having in our head? Cheeks. These are cheeks. This is chin. Okay. And what is this, student? This is forehead. Okay. And let us talk about little bit more. What are these? Can you see the bushy hair grown here? Yes, these are our eyebrows. What are these? These are eyebrows. And you have here hairs on your cover of eye. That is called eyelid. That is called eyelash. Okay, these hairs protect our eyes. Okay. Now see, let me share one picture with you. Yes. Now in this picture, see here. Let's talk about the part. Hair is there. This is hair. Then this area, I told you na, this area, it is forehead. Then ear, cheeks, tongue. This is tongue. This one is tongue. Okay, tongue help us to taste food, isn't it? Lips are there, help in speaking. Then our chin is there. See, chin, chin. Then teeth, neck, nose, eyes, eyelash. This one. This hair on our eyelid are called eyelash. Then eyebrows. Okay. So this is our head. So many parts we are having in our head. Yes. And you know, all parts are having one or different function. Okay. Later we are going to talk about them. Now come our trunk or torso. Trunk, T-R-U-N-K, trunk or torso. What is it? It is the middle part of our body. Okay, it has shoulder. What is shoulder? This area, student, you can see in the picture here. Na? This area is my shoulder. See here, these are my shoulder. And this area where I breathe, that area is my chest here. It is my chest. And below chest, I am having my stomach. Okay, whatever I eat, it goes to stomach. Okay, so that area is stomach. Now let me show you a picture. Yes, see here. In this picture, you can see the position of trunk here. Trunk or torso. You can see na. These are limbs. I have talked about. These are arm. These are legs. This is our head. And this middle portion from here to here, that portion is our trunk. Okay. It connects our head, arms and legs together. Okay. Now comes our limbs. Yes, what are our limbs? We have two. Our arms and our legs are our limbs. Arm. This portion from here to here, it is called my arm. Okay, and what are the parts of arm? Let's discuss. See here. Okay, now come arm. This portion, see here in the picture also it is there now. This one, this is elbow. ELBOW, elbow. This is elbow. And here this area where we tie a watch, wristwatch. We used to wear watch here na, wristwatch. That is why it is called wristwatch. Why? Because we wear it on our wrist. This is called wrist. My hand. Arm is from here to here is my arm. Okay. This is my hand. And these are my fingers. You can see my fingers moving? Yes. And on the top of finger, see here, these are my nails. Yes, some hard thing are there to protect our fingers. They are our nails. Okay, now let's move ahead and learn about legs. What are legs? Yes, legs are those body parts which help us to move. Yes, how you walk? You walk with the help of legs only now. So let's see what are the parts of legs. Yes, here comes part of leg. See here, when we were talking about elbow, see here, what is the use of elbow, student? It helps in moving our hand. Yes, just to move our hand. Like that, our legs, yes, our legs are having our knee. See the area circle there na? That is our knee. Yes, and what is the use of knee? It helps our leg to bend and fold. Okay, now see this part, our foot. So the fingers, our hand fingers, like that we are also having fingers on our foot. Yes, and those fingers are called toes. See, T-O-E-S, toes. See here, T-O-E-S, toes. And this part is called our ankle. See this part. Yes, this is our ankle. Okay, and in our fingers of our foot, that is toes, we are also having nails there. Yes, one, then foot, then if it is two, then we call it feet. And see here, here comes different body parts. Okay, so this is given in page number 14. So student, this is given in page number 14 of your textbook. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to make a diagram, okay, showing all the body part. Now come function of body part. Yes, we are having different types of, we have just now we have talked about different body parts now. Now we are going to talk about their function. You know student, each body part is having one or different function. So let's start with head here. So firstly comes hair. You may be thinking, what is the use of hair? Apart from making us look smarter, there is a use of hair. Yes, hair keeps our head warm and protected. Yes, hair keeps our head warm and protected. And what is the use of keeping head warm? Just think. You know, we are having our brain here, the most important part of our body. You are aware of this word brain? Yes, I know nowadays students are much smarter. They use word brain. So we are having our brain here, and it is computer of our body. And what does our hairs do? They keep that area, our head warm. Okay, so now what talk about eyes? See next one, eyes. What is the use of eyes? Help us to see what are the things around us. Ears help us to hear. And what is the use of mouth? Help us to speak and also eat. Yes, we do speaking with mouth and we eat also with mouth. Yes, and now let's move ahead and talk about nose. What is the use of nose, student? Yes, to smell thing, and also it help in breathing. We are breathing, we are taking air inside, giving air outside with the help of nose only. Yes, and whenever some smell is there, you can immediately guess using your nose. Yes, you can smell that fragrance. Yes, now Teeth. What is the use of teeth? Teeth help us to bite and chew food. Okay. And what is the use of neck? It joins our head and this is our trunk. This is our head and this is our trunk. So what is the use of neck? It joins our head and trunk together. What is the use of trunk, student? I've told you now. It holds all of our body part together. See my head, it is attached to my trunk. My arms, it is attached to my trunk. My legs, they are attached to my trunk. Yes, all body parts, they are attached to trunk. So what is the use of trunk? It holds all body part together. Now comes to limbs. We do many things with our arms and legs, isn't it? What is the use of hand? Hand help us to hold, eat and write. Yes, if I want to write something, I need to hold pen. Yes, so hand help us in holding thing, writing, eating. And what is the use of legs, students? See here, legs and toes. They help us to walk, run, jump, climb. Yes. And now come, what is the use of nails here? Is there any use of nail? You may be thinking just for scratching. No, student, it is not. The main use of nails is it protect the tips of our finger. Okay, our fingertips, they are very delicate. To protect them, we are having nails here. Okay, let's summarize so many things we have learnt in this chapter, isn't it? So let's have a summary of what are the things we have learnt in this chapter. First, we have three main body parts: head, trunk and our limbs. Okay, then head is uppermost part of our body, torso is middle part of our body, and limbs are our hands and leg. Then we move to detail of body part. Yes, we learnt about eyes. Okay, help us to see. Nose help us to smell and breathe. Mouth help us to talk and speak, isn't it? Then ear help us to hear. What is the use of neck? It joins our head to trunk. And not only this, it also help in movement of our head. Yes, just because of our neck is so flexible, we can move our neck. Yes. Then we learnt about the function of teeth. It help us to chew and bite food. Yes. Then we learnt about the use of hand, how it help us to hold, eat and write. Then with the help of legs, we are able to walk, run, jump. Yes. And what was the use of nails? The use of nail was to protect the tip of our finger. Yes. And one more use. And one more thing was there. I forgot, student. That was hair. What is the use of hair? It keeps our head warm and protected. Okay. So these were our body parts and their function. Okay. Rest we are going to learn in our next class. Okay.